Hello, the internet. It is Friday, the 29th of May, 2020. Welcome back to A Wave a Day. A Wave a Day is my project where I surf a wave every single day for an entire calendar month, no matter what the conditions, right here at my local Culburra beach, thanks to Bell's Surf Wax and Arsen wetsuits. This morning we have a very dark band of cloud. Look at this massive black cloud on the horizon line. Look at that big cloud. It stretches all the way across there. Holy moly, all the way back too. Holy moly, 29th of May. This is 29 days in, folks. That saddens me because that means there's only 2 days of this project left. Well, 3 if you include this surf, which I definitely am gonna include this surf. I'm just saying, matter of factly, 3 days in totes left. How about we do a little reflecting? Reflections, thoughts, concepts, your concerns, my concerns. I was hoping this project would be a little more successful in views. I'm not gonna deny that. We made a bunch of changes to A Wave a Day from last season, and the idea was that that would spur the algorithm to promote my videos more. That hasn't happened. So I'm in a dilly of a pickle, of a conundrum, of a situation. But I really enjoy surfing. However, to vlog surfing daily is extremely difficult. It's extremely difficult's the wrong word. It's extremely time consuming. This takes all of my time. For the whole month of May, I've locked off everything else. This is the only thing I'm doing. Probably should clarify. This and my online presence is the only thing I'm doing. So I do a daily D-Live stream, 3 hours, 3 p.m. every afternoon. I've got to make certain I've done my surf, I've edited the footage, I've got the package for the super quick wave a day, and I'm good to start streaming at 3. That gets tricky. I'm not complaining, I'm simply stating that I think we're gonna have to make changes if we come back for another season. Will we do a wave a day every day for a month? Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll surf the whole week and I'll compile a 10-minute video of the week's surf. I don't know. I know I gotta change it. It's not working. This season was kind of like the proof of that. The numbers are no different than last season. All the changes we made, there's no difference. Absolutely no difference. YouTube just doesn't like my content. YouTube does not like the Gives a Minute content, does not like my surfing content, does not promote it. The only thing that happened here was that we changed our approach and we all came back smiling and happy, charged up, but the actual view numbers, nothing changed. Good experiment, conclusive result, it didn't work. Blah, blah, blah. What about a condition check? It's kind of small, but there are sections, look at that. Be a fun little section to tuck into. Today we'll probably be hitting, I'd say, a right-hand section, not the left point. I don't think the left point's going to be working. We'll see when we get to the northern point. How you going, Nick?
Good.
How was your, you go for a body bash?
Yeah, I'm still going.
Cool.
Yeah, 3 things that I want to ask you.
Go ahead.
Where are you going to surf when your wave a day finishes?
Oh, we were just talking about that. I haven't really made a decision yet. I'm probably going to just choose part of the beach, whatever's working. So there's no point going north if the better waves are at the south. Giving me the hard questions here, Nick. What's the second question?
How many days are in this month?
We talked about that too. I literally just finished discussing that. 2 more days, 31 days.
Yeah, so I can pick up the Highline on Monday.
Nick wants to borrow the Highline for a surf, and I've been saying, like I said, there's no time for me to do anything, but after the season, which is after Monday, sure, yeah. And the third question?
Where's your house?
I don't want to dox myself. Yeah. Morning, Dad.
Good morning, how you going?
How you doing?
Good, how'd you go in the big seas?
Oh, dude, it was...
Any collateral?
It was pretty hard. All right, see you guys. What a cool family, huh? Hard-hitting questions. Oh, well, here we are, folks. Northern-style Culburra Beach. One heck of a lot of weed here. There is a little section out here that could potentially give us a little right. There is a lot of weed. Look at the amount of weed here. I'm gonna put my beach camera on that head point there, and then I'm gonna film this section here. Look at that little sneaky peek. Could even be a little left there. All right, enough waffle. Let's go surfing. on shore. There is no weed here. There was no weed to paddle through. I mean, I'd like a little larger swell. Guess we just gotta wait here for the big mama. Good morning, Sam!
We can watch the sky show its face, and outside there.
There's a couple of little sections. Maybe we should POV this because I think that it could be a while between waves. Let's POV and be aware that I will be editing this chisel out, down, up, around, all over the place. POV style. So we've got a section here, kind of. It's a little something on the horizon. I might go a little across for this. Down here, something coming in. I might have gone too far. I think I went too far across. I'm good for this. Yeah, that was perfect! What? That was perfect! Heck yeah! Let's go back out. Oh no! That was awesome! Yew! That was fine. Alright, POV out. Holy crap, that took like 2 minutes to get a POV. Normally that's 22 minutes worth. I don't even have to edit that. Now, as Sam said, more like that.
The sun comes up and the moon goes down. We stay here and just dream away.
Oh, that's a big bird. That was a big bird, came right over our heads. He was looking down too at fish. Well, that last wave I had a little bit of a section that came over the top. I don't want to use the word barrel because I get heckled when I use that word. It covered up my head. Let's just say that. It covered up my head. Did this. But there was lots more water and it was a lot more structured. And that's what we did, sort of. Some nice waves, a little on the small side, but they're still fun. A fun surf, right? Fun times. No weed issues in the actual ocean, just the entrance to the water. Sam's out there still smashing it, having a good one. We had a good surf. That was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. In my liking, the Swell a little on the small side, but we kept waiting for the big mama, and the big mama that came through wasn't that big, but we still got some fun rides. I got in a little cover over and got some nice lefts, and it was good. It was good times. Well, if you enjoyed seeing me with good times, come back tomorrow for Waiver Day Part 30. Hey, thanks for checking out my Waiver Day project for May 2020. Now, if you liked what you've seen here and you want to make sure that you don't miss any further updates, hit the old subscribe button there. You can also check out yesterday's wave right here. You can check out a previous vlog of mine. It may or may not be surf related right here. And if you want to support the content financially, Patreon right here. Oh, there's waves to be had right here. Look at this.